friends, welcome back. In last video we learned about the print function, string, how we can work with the string. We also see variables and how it can help you in the programming. We also see input function in last video. So in this video we are going to use all those concepts and create simple program step by step. Okay, so as you can see here, I prepare some sentence that will prepare some steps that can help you to complete the program. So you can see first we will have a greeting for the program, greeting for your program, and this program will help you to generate a full name of the person. Okay, so let's start the coding. First of all, we need greeting for your program. So as you can see here, I'm going to print greeting on the output. So welcome to program generate, or the full name generator, something that is our program, and let's have dot and slash n. So this message will get printed as a first line if I run this program. As you can see, if I press control enter, it will print some greeting, welcome to the program. Okay, next we need to ask the user for the first name. So as you can see, we know the input function can help you to get the input from user, and I will store the first name in the first name variable. So here I have input function, and I will ask for enter first name and colon. So guys, this function will get the input from the user and store inside first name variable. Similarly, next we need to ask for the middle name from the user. So I will have one more variable, and I will ask for enter middle name. Okay, so by mistake I have set last name, but I will have middle name here. Okay, next we need to ask for last name. So this is how by three variables: first name, last name, and middle name. Okay, last name, here I'm going to take the input from user. So enter last name. So this is how the three value we are going to take input from the user, and with the help of these three values we will let the user know what is the full name of the user. So guys, next we can combine this first name, last name, middle name and show the full name to the user. So let me have print function here, and I will type here your full name is, and then after plus operator I will use here, and I will print first underscore name, then after space, then after middle underscore name, then after space, and next I will have last underscore name, and finally I will have the dot and slash n as well. Okay, so this will print the full name of the user. Okay, and last but not the least, make sure the input cursor shows on a new line. So I already have slash n in this program. So guys, here you can see print function we have, input function we have, we already also use the variable here, and finally we merge all the data and print the output. So let's run and check the output. So guys, you can see greeting message we have. Next we need to ask the first name. So I will type here Sachin. Okay, middle name Ramesh, last name Tendulkar, and finally if I press the enter, you can see the full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar something, it is getting printed. Okay, and this is how it will work. Okay guys, so I hope you understand. Just try with your Replit.com account and complete the code, right? So if you have any query, you can ask in the comment box. So we will meet soon, right? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment and like our videos. We will back with some new coding.